These are the fuel oil tanks that they're now in the process of dismantling. Over the yard here, if you look down, you'll be able to see some narrow gauge trackage still in place along with the standard gauge. Going forward, there's destined to the museum. And this bridge structure here is the ore bridge, and that's also going to be part of the museum complex. The building just to the right with the white face on it there is the backside of the PB&E engine service facility. Shop complex where they do the heavy repairs. This highway bridge is the Mincy Trail Bridge. Some of the buildings scheduled for demolition. As you can see, they're rapidly working on them. It goes inside the building. There is a little engine that supposedly preserves the museum also. Over on the left here, there used to be a parking garage. It's now a vacant lot. Where the executive parking lot for Bethlehem Steel used to be. A high-rise, enclosed parking area.